This is what a real funding, client acquisition sales system actually looks like. In which case you have to have paid ads running over to a call funnel, in which case the call funnel first filters out people and scores those leads based upon qualification. Prior to anybody actually hopping on a call with you, needs to be an actual survey with what's called a conditional logic applied, so that it teaches the AI to bring in more of the type of people that's actually going to qualify and be more so good fits for your business. After they apply on that survey, it takes them over to the calendar and the thank you page. On the calendar, boom, simple, schedule out a call, but you want to make sure that it's no longer really than like 7 days. Any more than 7 days, people want to start forgetting about it. On that thank you page, as in the page after they schedule out the call, you want to make sure they have a video with the next steps and what they should expect on this call. Down below that, you want to make sure that it adds to the Google and iCalendar with a little blurb telling them, hey, don't miss this appointment, and you're going to receive a text message and email confirmation. On that email and text, make sure you respond yes to confirm that you watched this video and to confirm that you have all these things to prepare you for this meeting, and that's saved to your calendar. Down below that, you should have more common FAQ type of videos, answering common questions overall to make your closing a lot easier and get people excited to hop on a call with you. I take it one step further because I also put testimonials and proof in the bottom and a couple of freebies and downloadable guides that people can have to be able to just excite them. Overall, really to stop from price shopping with other people, because you already know that these people are getting bombarded with thousands of ads just like yours. In addition to that, in the actual back-end system, let's say you're using Go High Level, you want to make sure that you have all the follow-up emails and text messages for the standard appointment reminders, in addition to making sure they respond yes to confirm the appointment. But what we also do is we do a value add campaign, in which case that's every 2 to 3 hours, you're sending out more value-based emails, talking about the process, talking about case studies, talking about what it's like to be applying with us, and providing more freebies on those emails, because people love freebies. People love value-based little ebooks. Most of the time people just skim through them, but they love how that actual value add is just something to separate you from your competitors. In addition to that, you want to make sure that you have conditional logic on the setup in the back end to train those people that to teach Facebook that these people that are scheduling these appointments are also confirming these appointments. Then when you want to make sure that when people actually pay you, you also have that conditional logic and that API set up to train the pixel to bring in more of those type of people with a monetary value, so that it prioritizes those signups to bring in more of those type of people rather than just plain a lead, because those signups are a lot more qualified. The next couple of things that you want to make sure that you're having is that you want to have a macro view of your entire KPI sheet that shows what is going on in your business. Things like what's going on with closers, how many follow-ups are they doing, how many offers are they putting out there, how many people are missing the calls, how many people are showing up to the calls. You want to make sure that you have a daily intake of lead quality. You want to know if your lead quality is going up or your lead quality is going down. All these pieces of information is going to give your manager, your marketing specialist, an understanding of what's actually going on in the business. And rather than just fixing things based upon emotional heat, things need to be fixed, you're going to be starting to fix things analytically and prioritizing the biggest problems that are holding back your business, and you're making big boss moves by doing so. What I'm trying to say is that by understanding all your numbers, you're going to be able to figure out what's actually holding your business back and prioritize that so you can scale up a lot quicker. Trust me, I don't know any other 7-figure operators that do not religiously track all the numbers, and honestly, excessively. They do it more than you should. What I'm trying to say is that track everything. That's what you need in order to have a 7-figure sales system for your funding business. God bless.